Alright, once you get your color loom soldered on, you're ready to assemble your optics. I have them already here pre-assembled, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip that over and show you that that goes right on. You want your notches to be going right when you're looking at your unit this way. That way everything is lined up properly. As you can see, the way, actually, I take that back. You want it going left. As you can see, the configuration of the LEDs need to match up to the configuration of the optics.
You're building this one backwards the way you usually do it, ain't you?
Alright. Yeah, it's on the upside down. Alright, then just take, while holding it in place, you want to make sure everything, just giving it a little tap, making sure all the optics fall into their casings. You don't want any sitting up. Okay. Oops. Everything is level and flat. They're all lined up with their screw holes. Then take your front lens that you took off from your unit, replace, and everything lines right up. Your M3x10 screws that you took off earlier will go right back in. To hold them into place, put those 8 screws back in, and you are 3/4 of the way done. And you want to put even pressure on each one of these. You don't want it to be bowing up in one area than the other. So you want to torque those down at the same level all the way across all 8 of them. That way you don't have any bowing out of the plastic front lens. Alright, once that's done, slide it back into chassis.